Hi Form 5 student, welcome back. So now here is the solution of the quick practice, okay? Now let's start with the quick practice 11.4 first. So please read the question together. A bag contains some colored ball, okay? The probability, remember we are talking about probability, okay? The probability of drawing a ball of the different color as shown in the following table. If a ball, remember, ball, okay, that's mean I just need one, I don't need two ball, okay? So it's totally different when you are finding the probability of a ball and probability of two or more ball, okay? So be aware of the number. So later on we'll talking about what if they are more. So we only focus on a ball first, okay? So if a ball is drawn at random, find the probability that it is blue or red. So first of all, you need to think about, is it a mutually exclusive or non-mutually exclusive, right? Because the formula is totally different. So every time you need to define it first. So first of all, can the yellow color and blue color, they can be overlap? Of course not, right? If yellow and blue overlap, they will become a green, okay? So we don't have this. So that means this is mutually exclusive question, okay? So if this is mutually exclusive question, your formula will be A or B will equal to probability A plus probability B. Okay, so A part very easy. Yes, we want to find the blue or red, right? So what you need to do is probability of blue or red, okay, will equal to probability of blue, then plus the probability of red. So they already give you the answer 1/3 plus 1/6. Okay, so the answer will be 1/2. This is your A part answer. Now we go to the B part. Okay, B part talking about we want to find the probability is neither yellow nor blue. That's mean, sorry, I don't want yellow. We don't want blue. So that's mean yellow and blue cancel it. We don't need it. So actually mean what? Mean you are just wanting red or white or black. Okay, so probability of neither yellow, remember to write down the sentence, okay? This is PP. If you forgot to write down that, we can deduct your PP mark presentation, okay? So probability neither yellow or blue will be mean probability of red or white or black, okay? So we can separate them because they are mutually exclusive. It can be red and it can be white, or it can be black, okay? Then we adding together 1/6 plus 1/4 plus 1/8. Of course, using the calculator, you will got the final answer. It will be 13/24. Okay, so this is how can we write down the solution. The calculation is not difficult, okay? You can use the calculator to help you, but the mindset is very important. So make sure that you know what the question asking for and how can we do the calculation, okay? So now take a look of another quick practice, 11.5. A professional test consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2, in a group of 40 candidates, okay? So remember, 40. 18 of them fail, 10 of them fail, and 4 of them fail in both, okay? If a candidate is chosen at random from a group, okay? So find the probability that the candidate for paper 1 or paper 2. So first of all, what do you want to find? We want to find the probability of fail in paper 1 or paper 2, okay? That means either or, okay? So how can we do it? Of course, very easy one is probability of fail in paper 1 plus the probability of fail in paper 2, right? Just separate them. But the point is, have you defined that they are mutually exclusive? What if they are non-mutually exclusive? So every time when you do the question, please think about whether which type they belongs to, okay? So now let's try to draw it. Okay, I got the paper 1, I got the paper 2. They told us that 18 of them failed it, then 10 of them failed it, but 4 of them failed in both. Remember, both. Okay, so actually this is a non-mutually exclusive example. So what is the non-mutually example? We need to minus the probability of fail in both. Okay, remember this, fail in both paper. Okay, both 1 and 2. Okay, so this is what you need to do. So now let's think about how can we do it. So first of all, fail in paper 1, yes, we got the value. Fail in paper 1 is 18 of them, okay, over the total 40. Fail in paper 2, yes, we know it, it's 10 of them, okay. Then we over the total number 40. Then minus the double count one, okay. 4 of them fell in both of the paper. So using the calculator, you will got your final answer 3/5, okay. Done. Got it? So remember, every time when you do the question, first step, mutually or non-mutually. Then using the formula, okay. Last one, using the calculator, that's it. Okay, now last example, quick practice 11.6. 2 failed dice are thrown. Find the probability of each of the following event. Okay? They want to find 2 even number are obtained. Okay, so now the problem is, how can I find out? Okay? If you are not good at this, I would suggest you using table. Okay? Why not draw a table first? Okay? So we know that dice actually is 1 to 6, right? Write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because you got 2 dice, so this is your first dice. Of course, we got a second, okay? So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Give yourself a more clear image, okay, by drawing out, okay? If you're not good at imagine, okay, all of them, so why not draw it out, okay? So now they told you that 2 even number are obtained. So try to list out all the even number. 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, right? Then 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 2, 6, 4, and 6, 6. So you can see that, wow, we got how many? 9 of them. So probability of 2 even number, okay? So it will be 9 of them out of how many? Out of total, right? What is the total? Total is 36. Because here we got 36 box, right? That means 36 outcome. So this is your A part answer using table. Now B part, the sum is 10. Now try to find out the sum is 10 one. Okay, again, try to select all those 10. So how can you find the 10? It can be 3 plus 6 already 9, so it's impossible. 4 plus 6 is 10, right? Then 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. What else? Any more about 10? No. So that means only got 3 choice. So probability of sum is 10 will be 3 out of 36. Got it? So now C part. 2 even number are obtained and the sum is 10. Remember, and. That means what? That means 2 even number and, okay, we can use an intercept symbol, okay, and the sum is 10. So that means it's both, okay, happen at the same time. So think about it, okay. So first of all, 2 even number, okay. So 2 even number we have highlighted before, okay, using the red one, those 9. Do you still remember? Okay, repeat one more time. Then sum is 10. We only got 4, 6, okay, 5, 5, and 6, 6. Now C part is talking about and, both and happen at the same time. Which one is happen at the same time? This one and this one. Can you see that? When you have 2 events happen at the same time, how many events you got? Only 2. So it will be 2 out of 36. This is your C part answer. Okay, now we go to the last one, D part. D part talking about the probability of 2 even number or union. Okay, or the sum is 10. Okay, remember, because they got something happen at the same time, right? So that means this is a non-mutually exclusive case. Okay, this is non-mutually exclusive case. So how can we do it non-mutually exclusive? It will be probability of two even number plus the probability of sum is 10, then minus the overlap one. Okay, both one. That's mean what mean both? Two even number and okay, sum is 10. Okay, that will be your formula. So it will be A part answer plus the B part answer minus the C part answer. Can you see that? Then final answer. Okay, so it will be 10 out of 36. Done. Okay, so if you think that that will be your final answer, sorry kids, you got 0 mark out of those 4 questions. Why? Everything is so correct. Why I got 0 mark? Because in math, I want to remind you one more time, in math, all the answer should be simplest form. Did you simplify your answer? A lot of the students just mainly focus on, okay, I find out the final answer, but you forgot to simplify it, to do the reduction, okay, reduce it please. So A part answer should be 1/4. B part answer is 1/12, okay, C is 1/18, then D is 5/18. So you can see that, yes, you thought that you got full mark, sorry. The teacher will tell you that you got 0 mark unless you simplify all the final answer. Okay, get it? Remember, don't just stop at the probability you got. Try to simplify it. Okay, so this is all you have learned today. You learned about the mutually exclusive, non-mutually exclusive, and then the formula of these 2 different kinds of the event. Okay, try to do more exercise, homework, okay, to help yourself more familiar with it. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye.